Want to get 150K in business credit with no personal guarantee? Sounds too good to be true? Well, it's not. And today, I'm breaking down exactly how you can do it step by step in 2025. Stick around. Let's dive in. First things first, you need a legitimate business. This means registering your business entity either an LLC or corporation. Sole proprietorships don't cut it. You also need an EIN number, which is like a social security number for your business. Get this from the IRS website. It's free. Next, open a business checking account. You can't get credit for a business that doesn't exist in the eyes of a bank. So, choose a bank that reports to the major business credit bureaus Dun & Bradstreet, Experian, and Equifax. Now you have to build your credit profile. To do this, sign up for DUNS number from Dun & Bradstreet. Then, make sure to get trade lines with suppliers that report to business credit bureaus. Pay your invoices early or on time. The faster you build credit, the quicker you get access to higher limits. Once you've got some trade lines established, apply for a business credit card. Look for cards that don't require a personal guarantee. Some major issuers like Divvy, Brex, and Ramp offer cards with no personal guarantee, but your business credit profile has to be solid first. After securing that first business card, you're now eligible for business lines of credit. They usually offer higher limits, and the best part? No personal guarantee. You'll need to prove your business can manage the credit responsibly. This means using the credit lines and paying it off quickly to increase your business's available credit. Now you need to find lenders that offer no personal guarantee loans. Look for online lenders like Bluevine, OnDeck, and Lendio. These platforms often provide funding without tying your personal assets. However, you'll need a solid business credit score and a clean financial record to qualify. Finally, continue to build your business credit. Keep using the credit, paying down balances, and applying for more trade lines. The more you demonstrate your business's ability to manage credit, the more lenders will trust you with higher credit limits, better rates, and no personal guarantee. That's how you can get 150K in business credit with no personal guarantee in 2025. It's all about building trust and credibility for your business, not you personally. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and drop any questions in the comments. Catch you next time.